Hello everyone, so in this video I am going to do a simple baked chicken using homemade jerk sauce. So in this container I have one small chicken, about 3 pounds, that I cut. This is a leg quarter, and this is like half of the chicken, and this is the breast and the wing. So I already washed with vinegar and water, put to drain and pat dry. So now I'm gonna pour a little bit of vegetable oil on it, just to help to keep it moist, because I'm gonna bake it. I also leave the skin intact, and also I leave a little bit of fat here and there on the chicken, because it's gonna bake. You can't remove all of the fats because you want the chicken to remain moist while it is baking in an oven. So I'm gonna wash my hands. Okay, so I am gonna pour just a small amount of vegetable oil all over the chicken. Not a bit, about, I would say like 1 teaspoon. So I'm gonna massage this into the chicken, all over the chicken I should say. Yeah. So I'm gonna wash my hands again. So I know you have been hearing about the coronavirus. So right now, bleach, Dettol, Lysol, all of those things are my best friend right now. So I'm going to season the chicken with some spices and salt. I'm going to add some salt around. I'm going to add a teaspoon of salt to the chicken. And I am going to add some grace, garlic, pimento. Use the spices that you have. I'm going to use generous amount as usual. So about, I'll say 1 teaspoon. Oh God. And Laurie's seasoned salt, my favorite. Teaspoon. I'm going to use some paprika, and this is not smoked paprika. If you have smoked paprika, you can use that. And of course I'm going in with some Maggi chicken season. Some Maggi all-purpose. And Grace black pepper, and this is ground black pepper. And I am going in with some Badia complete seasoning. So you don't have to use the amount of spices that I use or the amount that I use. So I'm gonna now massage the spices into the chicken, onto the chicken, all over the chicken. I'm gonna rub the chicken. I'm gonna bake the chicken into this container, I am gonna pour just a little bit of cooking oil or vegetable oil into the container, and I am gonna use this brush. So now I am gonna put the chicken like that. I'm gonna wash my hands. Now with the sauce, with the homemade jerk sauce, what I am gonna do now is to divide it. So I'm gonna pour a little into this container, and I'm gonna leave that amount. So what I'm gonna do now is to put the sauce on the chicken, and I am gonna use this brush and rub it all over, because I do not have a gloves, because I don't use gloves, and I'm not gonna put my hands in this sauce. So what I'm gonna do now is to flip it over like this, and I'm gonna wash my hands because the coronavirus is on the loose. There are no recorded confirmed cases in Jamaica, but still have to be very careful. So I'm gonna continue doing this with the other pieces of chicken. So I'm gonna cover it with a piece of file paper and then allow it to marinate for about 30 minutes. Now if you want your homemade jerk sauce to have a darker color, you can add some food browning to it. I use soy sauce to add a bit of a brown color, but you can use the food browning if you want it to have a dark color. Chicken uncovered into a preheated oven, and I'm gonna bake it for 1 hour, but after 40 minutes I am gonna start basting the chicken, so I will come back. I baste the chicken every like 15 minutes until the baking time, the complete baking time is up, which is 1 hour and 25 minutes. And this is the homemade jerk sauce you can see on the chicken. Yes, and there's a nice gravy here as well, nice thick rich gravy. Let me show you. Here it is. Right, this gravy is okay for me. Yeah, so what I'm gonna do now, I am gonna let it sit on the countertop for about 15 minutes before I slice it. So when I plate it, I will show you what it looks like. Alright, so remember to subscribe to my channel and click the post notification bell so that you will know when I uploaded a new video. So when you click the bell icon, there are options. So make sure you click all if you want to receive all new uploads to this channel.